Hi everyone, I want to talk to us about the new Nigerian tax law. The new Nigerian tax law, to so many of us, is no longer news. It's all over there in the internet. But how I just wish that so many corporate bodies and also the National Orientation Agency will spread this information, do a whole lot of campaign sensitizations. Using ICANN can come in here. Yeah, ICANN can come in. The FIRS can come in. They work together with the Ministry of Finance. They work together with the National Orientation Agency, associations, market union associations, trade unions. Everybody should come out and carry out mass sensitization, because I tell you, a whole lot of people are still not aware of what this new tax law is all about. Because I go to the markets, and that's why I know what I'm saying. I go to the markets very well. So the new tax law will take effect from 1st of January 2026. That's next year, 1st of January 2026. This tax law will really be applicable to everybody, as long as you are earning income. Workers, influencers, content creators, Nigerians who are earning abroad, but they are taxed residents in Nigeria. So these are the persons this tax law is going to be applicable to, as long as you are working, your workers. You they work, month end, they pay you salary, is applicable to you. As an influencer, is applicable to you. A content creator, is applicable to you. There are some people who are resident in Nigeria, but the kind of work they do, they pay them from abroad. It's also applicable to you. You see, so these are the people, this tax law, as long as you're earning income, it's applicable to you. Now, people are asking questions that if I make transfer, maybe I make transfer to somebody, will that money be taxed? No, it will not be taxed. Maybe if I go to POS and make withdrawals, will it be taxed? No. If I make transfer to somebody, maybe I make transfer to BC, will BC be taxed? No. Will I be taxed? No. Maybe if I go to a POS or ATM, I want to withdraw money, will I be taxed for withdrawing the money from the POS or ATM? No, I will not be taxed. But as long as I'm earning income at month end, definitely I will be taxed. So it's very, very important. I don't want to make this video to be very long, because it has so many. I want to in the Nigerian tax law, for us to be able to understand it very, very well. I want to do like 2 or 3 videos to break it down little by little. So that's so this is the first video I'll be doing with regards to the Nigerian tax law. It begins from 1st of January 2026. It is applicable to everybody, that as long as you're working, your earning income is applicable to you. Workers, influencers, content creators is applicable to you. There are some people that I personally know who are working here in Nigeria, but they are earning from abroad. As long as they are taxed residents in Nigeria, is applicable. Now, if you save money, like for example, some people have money just saved in their accounts, will it be taxed? No. For example, maybe in my GT account, maybe for example, I have a certain amount of money there, just I save it there in my GT account, will it be taxed? No, it's not be taxed. So if you have money in your account, because I see people already, I saw the other people were telling me, Grace, if you get money for account, go come out everything, look for somewhere for house, keep the money. No, it will not be taxed. If you have money in your account, it will not be taxed. If you go and withdraw money, make withdrawals from POS, you make withdrawals or you make deposits, will it be taxed? No, it is your income that will be taxed. So withdrawing money or sending of money, making transfers here and there, does not be taxed. It's your income that will be taxed. Yeah, it's your income that will be taxed. So I will just for the first video, I will stop here, and I also do like 2 more videos so that we'll break it down very, very well for us to understand this tax law. And I'm really calling out the National Orientation Agency. I know they are trying their best, calling out on the Ministry of Finance, calling out on budget, whether it's their own work, calling out on ICANN, market associations, the union. All these people, they should come together, trade union, name them. They should work together with the National Orientation Agency to carry out mass sensitization campaigns, going to that woman that is selling crayfish in the market. That woman, that man that is making shoe, that woman selling pepper, that woman selling dawa in the markets. Everybody, by now or before the end of November, December, all Nigerians ought to know what this tax law is all about in total. I'm not talking about myself. I'm talking about that woman selling dawa, selling local Maggi in the markets. That woman selling kuka in the market. That woman selling pepper. She shouldn't be left out of such vital, because I tell you, this thing is going to impact on the entire economy. And since it's going to impact on the entire economy, it's going to impact on each and every one of us as a citizen. And so all stakeholders, this is a clarion call for all stakeholders to wake up and carry out mass sensitization on each and every one of us. Like now, if you go to the northern part of the country, there is this small radio they usually hold early in the morning, 4:35 a.m. 5:30, they carry one small radio they put for ear, and they are so used to it. Put that information there. The media houses, they should also help to enlighten using local languages. We have over 250 ethnic groups in Nigeria. This tax law, has it been translated in those 250 ethnic groups? Because you get some people will say they know hear English, they no go for English, but you see them with their local this thing, they put it in their ear. Can we do flyers? Can we call the stakeholders involved? Can we do radio jingle? Can we do radio messages, television messages in local languages and spread it? Do flyers, print pamphlets, reach out. Like if you go to the northern part of the country, there's sits out, they call them Majerisa. You can pick some people from there as their champions, go to these communities and spread it. Let everybody know, because this thing is going to impact the entire economy. So whether the informal sector or the formal sector and the informal sector will be impacted. And so everybody needs to know. Everybody needs to know. That woman selling dawa, that woman selling pepper, that woman frying akara on the street needs to know. That woman who is very industrial, she does not hear English, but she can do business very well. That thing will impact, that tax law will impact on her business. Yes, she does not understand English. What language does she understand? Can we talk to her in that language? Thank you so much. I'll do 2 more videos on this Nigerian tax law for us to understand very well. Please, I need you to, each and every one of us, to comment, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.